हिंदी तो आती होगी, आपको भी आती होगी ना। तो आप अब बंगाली मुझे नहीं आती इसीलिए मैं हिंदी में
हाँ
पूछ
हाँ
रही हूँ।
बोलिए बोलिए।
वैसे पूछ रही हूँ।
हाँ।
आपके बंगाल से हो, आप यहाँ मलयालम इंडस्ट्री पे आके काम कर रहे हो, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसे था?
बहुत ही अच्छा, क्योंकि मैं लास्ट 2.5 years से आई एम वर्किंग इन अदर साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस एज वेल। आई स्टार्टेड थ्रू मलयालम, तेलुगु, तमिल। तो इधर जो है, इधर का वर्क एनवायरनमेंट इज वेरी गुड। पीपल गिव रिस्पेक्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी मेनली वर्क फॉर द रिस्पेक्ट। वी आर्टिस्ट वी कर्व फॉर द रिस्पेक्ट। वो सबसे ज़रूरी है, तो वो हमको मिलता है। एंड वी गेट टू सी सो वेराइटी ऑफ कंटेंट, स्पेशली मलयालम इंडस्ट्री में। मैं जो अभी, आई मीन द एक्ट्रेसेस, दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग that track. Once upon a time in Bengal, which we used to see the kind of movies, and the Bengali films and Malayalam films are always very similar in taste, and the kind of literature what we have, we share the same wavelength. So yeah, and Malayalam films, they are doing the best now. I think Bollywood is also looking up to the Malayalam films now. So I think it's been an inspiration, and I feel so lucky that with a single movie at least people, okay fine, so that is a biggest blessing. एंड इधर का वर्क एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा है, मीडिया फ्रेंड्स भी बहुत सपोर्टिव है. आई थिंक that communism is there inside the mind, that we are all the ism of common man. I think that I feel in that way, the ism of common man. So वो है कि हम लोग all, and it's totally based on merit. I feel that. Yeah, thank you.
तो आप इस फिटिंग के साथ वर्क कर रहे हो, तो आपको 90s के हमारे जैसे किड्स को ना बहुत पसंद थे उनके गाने वगैरह। कभी आपने सुना है उनके गाने?
यस, मुझे जो पुवु चोदीचो न्यान वन्नो जो हिंदी है ना, फूल तुमसे मांगा था, वो हमको भी पता था, लेकिन तब सर को पता नहीं था, हमको पता नहीं था कि दैट्स एन एक्चुअल मलयालम फिल्म. सो माय डैड हैज बीन अ फैन ऑफ हिज मेनी हिंदी, आई मीन द ट्रांसलेटेड हिंदी सॉन्ग्स. Then I came to know, okay, he is the person. When I came for the audition for Kalanum Bhagavatyum, I came to know कि अच्छा ये वो ही इसको, ओके, उनका फूल तुमसे मांगा था तुमने मुझको बहार दिया. So it was known to us. It's a very famous song. Even the female version is sung by Chitra ma'am. I think it is there in each and every film industry. It's not. I think Srilekha Dishi has been my senior also. I have worked with her. I think it was long time back. And देखिए, I am very fortunate. Now let me tell you one thing. Actually, sir has done an agreement. Now I'm telling you, now I feel many people manipulated me. Vijan sir has made an agreement with you. He's going to doom your future. He's going to make your future doom. No works you're going to get. But I was very lucky because as a guardian, he protected me and he understood. So he signed with me 2 movies, of different genres, thinking that yeah, let me get the soil, थोड़ा वो जमीन मिल जाए, फिर safely with head held high I can fight like the way now I am doing so. So, and my man, I'm very much blessed to have a manager like Manish ji. He's from Bombay. So everything मेरा filter होके आता है. And it's very unfortunate जिसके साथ हुआ है, I mean genuine, who are the victims of this, I mean the molestation. Yeah, it should come out and it should stop, and we should raise our voice. अगर कुछ गलत होगा, voice तो raise करना ही पड़ेगा, and आप लोगों को भी support करना पड़ेगा. But if it is a false, then I heard there are some false allegation also against some actors and all. अभी अगर देखो, एक टाइम पे किसी के साथ कुछ रिलेशनशिप था, ब्रेकअप हो गया, ठीक है, उसके बाद अगर आप ये इन्होंने ऐसा किया, उन्होंने ऐसा किया, it's like a old school relationship. So I think that is a personal, and in terms of safety, it should be there, and it is there in each and every industry, each and every sector. I won't only talk about the film industry. It is there in each and every sector. Not even the doctors, the IT engineers, they are also not even spared of it. So it is there. ये सोच बदलना पड़ेगा, फिर सब इंडस्ट्री, प्रोफेशन सब बदलेंगे. Inspiration, I was a classical dancer. I was a teacher before an actor. So yeah, I used to watch a lot of I also performed theater, there in Bengal. So movies से उतना connect तो नहीं था, लेकिन करते करते like I did supporting roles initially, because Bengal में even if you have talent at this point of time, it's a different story there. So उस होते होते फिर मुझे लगा कि नहीं, what talent or what potential I feel I have, I can't deliberate there. So yeah, that's the reason I stepped into South India, especially Malayalam industry, because they understand the talent, and that's why Manumal Boys, my god, there are so ample movies recently also. So even they have proved that beyond the stars also, you know, the talent and merit matters. So yeah, so next movie also immediate, I'm doing a Malayalam movie only. I preferred to select the Malayalam language and Malayalam film because of the subject. I can't reveal now, I will say later.
Sure, okay.